So hello everyone. If you're trying to find your Erasmus course these days and you want to find that course on the new ESEP platform, you simply go to ESEP, log in, and then go to this development, professional development, and then you here have courses. You don't want to go online, you want to go, for example, to Croatia. Then you search, and here it is. You can find courses in Croatia. For example, I'm interested in this art and creativity anti-stress workshops for 6 days training course in beautiful Zadar. You can click I'm interested or simply go through training program, and if you like it, you can go to website of provider and simply fill pre-registration form and contact us. That's it. Simple as that. See you!